When it comes to welding, it is highly skilled job and it involves a lot of hard work. When it comes to the welder, he has to be in a very hostile environment, very hot conditions. Secondly, he has to work day long. So naturally, the strain comes to him and the consistency of the weld may not be the same as he is doing in the morning. It may not be the same in the evening. My name is Ramakanth Bhagavath. I am director at Warpp Engineers Pvt Ltd, Mumbai. When it comes to automation, people come to us with different challenges. It may be based on their particular product or it may be a general product. So we have a mixed range of automation products which cover both standard automation as well as special purpose machines which specifically suitable for their particular product. Based on their application, we suggest them the right machine so that it can deliver more to them.
We are at SteelFab and we are showcasing a range of products as welding and cutting machine. Do visit our stall at hall number 3, booth number 1516. Thank you.